Hi guys, welcome to Best of Guru. And today we have Dr. Pooja Singh, who is a microbiologist, poetess, writer, and also an inspiring woman. She is also founder of Kavya Corner Foundation and also so many such foundations. And she is also managing many cultural activities, art and literature relating to different things about Hinduism and all. As a medical microbiologist, she is also writing books related to poet and all, and she has written around 5 books, which includes medical things. Without further ado, let's introduce Dr. Pooja Singh Gangania. Hi, madam. How are you?
Hi everyone. Hi Guru sir. First of all, I would like to convey my gratitude to you for calling me for this amazing interview. You have been following and we have been talking since 3-4 months, and I was not able to I convey whatever because I was having COVID and lots of things. Had better whenever we get the time, and now today I'm here with you. First of all, starting with myself, you said I have a long bio, but I would say I do nothing. Really, I do
First of all,
nothing.
I would thank you for giving me such a valuable time because I know you hit with the COVID last 2 months back. I think still you are in a recovery position, but very pleasure to have you despite being sick. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically, by education, I'm a medical microbiologist, and I have my specialties in tuberculosis, especially infertility in women.
Mhm.
And I have been to many places for my studies. I've been to South India too. I lived in Chennai, Dehradun, Calcutta, Mangalore, Ambala in North India, like all over India for regarding my so
You
many
didn't visit
workshops.
Hyderabad.
I did, but not for a long time
Okay.
because
Then
they have.
after Corona, please visit Hyderabad city.
If I have some business trip, of course I'll come there, and I would love to see you. I have many friends over there in
Wow.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was telling that if we talk about professionally, by education, I'm a medical microbiologist, and I've given some studies which are novel in itself. Means there are some studies which have not been given by anyone in the world. I'm the first one to give those studies regarding infertility and non-tubercular infections. If you talk about my passion is writing. I've been writing since I was in 10th standard
Mhm.
because my father is a writer, and so got inspired. There was, I always got a ambience, or I've always got that people around who are involved in writing, and watching my father writing and doing so many good works made me to come into this. Apart from that, so I have my own company named Chris Value, the director of two companies, Equilibrium Creation and Chris Value. And apart from that, lots of many
What
small
is
small
it?
things.
Chris Value Private Limited. I think you are the
Yeah.
director out there again. So what exactly is that?
Sir, we are providing indoor air quality solutions.
Mm-hmm.
Means you know that today our world is like surrounded with so many microbes, and as we can see that the things have changed so much
Right.
that the mode of war has changed
Mm.
in this entire world. The mode of war, if now other countries don't have to make a atom bomb or something
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do some harm to any country. They will just straight away send one deadly virus, and it will infect everything, and will in, because I'm a microbiologist, I can understand
Yeah,
how
yeah.
harmful and how beneficial these microorganisms can be. So if we talk about corona, and like what solution we are providing is will make your indoor, as we know that
I think we are
we
into
are
war only. Now the situation is
yeah,
like a third world war. So we are fighting
yes sir.
against Corona, which is an enemy, which is not seen,
Yes,
not
yes,
visible
which
also.
cannot, a naked eyes cannot be
Yeah,
seen,
yeah.
but through. So what we are doing is that we have a solution for it. We have one device which get retrofitted into your AC,
Mm-hmm.
and basically it will make your room free from all the microbes, all VOCs, all gases, everything. It will make you uh, uh, feel as if you are sitting in some hilly area.
You
Why
mean
we
to say
always say, oh,
natural, natural air?
yeah, yeah, it will create negative ions
Mm-hmm.
basically. It
Mm-hmm.
works on the little point bipolar ionization technology.
Mhm.
So why we always say, oh, I'm so tired, I'm fed up of doing so much of work, let's go to some water source place or some hilly area or some sea area. Why do we do that? Because we have too many negative ions over there, and because of that, because they are known as the detergents of the environment.
Mm.
So basically, to feel fresh, you need negative ions in your environment, and this device, which is very small in size but gets fitted into your AC indoor and makes you feel exactly with full of negative ions, and can cure many, can save you from so many deadly diseases around,
Mhm.
whether it is, even if it is corona, it is corona test. So
That's a
this is
very
how,
good.
this is
That's
what
a
I'm
good
doing.
one because it's a need of the hour. So,
Yeah.
how much it costs each
It is
device?
around 18K.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we are getting it imported from US.
Mhm. Good, good. But now 18K is not that much of pricey when compared to, there
Yeah,
are some purifiers which are more than 100K. Some small
because
purifier, what
what
you call
I'm telling,
air.
purifiers are not, it is very
Yeah,
much in advantage over
liquid,
purifiers.
some oxygen purifiers are there, na? What? I don't know.
Purifiers can never, Guru sir, purifiers can never break the infection loop.
Hmm.
But this device breaks the infection loop, because whenever it is applied, whenever it is in the room, it will sterilize each and every article, each and every, even the door handle, even everything, whatever
Acha.
is there in the room. And air purifiers, the basic air purifiers, what they do, they work on pull technology.
Mhm.
This technology works on push technology.
So
So
this
it
device is
there is one
usable only for AC or
AC you can put, and if it is not AC, you can have a small fan fitted with it.
okay,
It just need air source.
okay.
As an AC, we get
So we
air
can put
through.
for air coolers also
Yeah,
because
yeah,
most
you
of the
can.
middle class people in India
Yeah, they
use
can do.
air
They can do.
coolers or
And
pedestal
it's
fans.
not only, yes, sir. And it is not only about corona. You
Uh-huh.
just see so many
Any
harmful
type of
bacteria,
bacteria or virus.
virus, bacteria, even gases what are created in our kitchen
Ah,
are
yeah.
usually don't feel that they are harmful, but we are consuming a lot of carbon monoxide inside, because it comes from uncooked, incomplete combustion basically.
Hmm.
So there are formaldehyde, there are even the smell of paint,
Exactly.
VOCs, the
Yeah.
Lysol smell,
Smell of paint is very
moisture. Yeah,
harsh and
it
hot. I
mentions
cannot bear that.
it is active and it is tested
Mhm.
and
Good.
trusted product.
Wow. Good. Good. So
That is why I got
congratulations.
inspired that okay, I want to do this. Why? Because being a microbiologist, I wanted to do something innovative and which is
Exactly.
good to mankind too, which can improve the quality of life basically.
Yeah, that is
So
what I want to say. Very innovative and creative thought. So, bringing such new devices will help many of us in any
yes, sir.
type of situations like what we are facing now, maybe in future also. So, I
Yeah.
didn't know that actually. This is a new thing for me. Thank you for giving an elaborative information about it. Coming to your Kavya Corner Foundation. I always see a man, a picture of a old man. Is he your father? Huh?
Dr. Kumar Vij, you're talking about Dr. Kumar Vij.
Yeah, Kavya Corner Foundation will always have that thumbnail where one person will be there.
Okay. It's not about one person. Actually, we are keeping, most probably, what I'm able to understand it that there is a poet, Dr. Kumar Bechen,
Mhm.
who is the guru of Dr. Kumar Vishwas. And
Sorry
I'm
to
like,
disturb you. Is that in Hindi or in other language? Because whenever I see your WhatsApp status
yeah, it
or
is in
Insta
Hindi.
status stories, it is there in
Yeah,
Hindi or something which I cannot understand. So I will
actually,
see the theme of that and I can understand, oh, something is happening. Maybe
no.
some
Actually,
celebration or
we talked to him regarding the brand ambassadorship of Kavya Corner Foundation.
something.
He was we have discussed with him that we were about to announce that Dr. Kumar Vechen will be our is the what do you say, is the most intelligent or the most accepted poet, most world spread, everybody knows him. If we talk about poetry, Hindi poetry, he is the person who is technically and always correct. He's a perfect poet. He was a perfect person, a perfect, always. I used to feel that he's God to me. So we were,
God and
we
Guru.
Yeah. So we were thinking that he will be our brand ambassador. I even met him in February. I told him that will you be our brand ambassador? He said, "Okay, Pooja, I'm always with you. You are doing all these things with with innocence, with true feelings in your heart. So I will always be there. Whatever you do, wherever you will call me, I'll come, and I'm always there." But during this Corona, he was all fine. This Corona on 29th of April, he passed away. So it was very shocking for me, and I was also in Corona at that time, and it was like a very heartbreaking news, and
Yeah,
I could not
last
roll
2 months
myself.
before this oxygen
It was so negative.
and all.
We
Yeah,
lost
we
so many.
lost so many people. Me also lost some of my relatives, and I saw so many sad news around me. And especially when I saw your status that you are in Corona, I was really shocked. And thank God that you recovered so quickly than many others. I don't know how
You know,
you face such a
even
situation.
my husband was say is always saying, "You are safe. You
Yeah, that's
survived.
a
Thank
great thing
that
that
you survived."
within
Because
1 week or 10 days, I saw you coming back to social media and with all that old charm and old type of positive vibe. I didn't see
mm,
that you got corona. That's the thing you created the difference, how to face
mm,
and handle such situations.
what
So,
to do, sir? Matlab, I was feeling that okay, I got saved. I'm like every time I'm saying why this is happening to me. I am like why I'm facing this much, and people are getting recovered. Why I'm not getting recovered? Why it is taking so much time? Now it is
so,
fourth month.
so for you, it's a very random question now. So already you have faced this situation. You already are attacked by COVID, and also you took medicines, whatever maybe. What was your feeling? How did you overcome with positive vibes? Because so many people, even me, if I am not getting COVID, also I will feel very negative that if I am getting somebody COVID in front of me or beside my house or even within my colony also, I fear like anything. So what type of
Hmm.
tips you want to give such people?
See, I would first of all say it is all about self motivation. And the biggest motivation which I have is like my husband and my daughter, they're working too hard to me. And my life, Guru sir, has been very difficult since childhood. I fought 18 years of my life just to survive, just to live, just to breathe. Every day. Every day was a challenge. And still it is the same. I'm a heart patient too.
Oh,
And,
yeah, you told
this
me.
is
Yeah.
yeah, this is just the self motivation that okay, I cannot give up. Dr. Pooja Singh Gangania
So
cannot give
what
up.
is your exact illness of that heart? Actually, you told me,
Actually,
but
I had some neurological disorders,
yeah.
so I could not do the basic things. Even my doctors from AIMS and other places, they told that these kind of people cannot do anything in their life. It's better you just ask her to do a 3-month course. When I was a kid, they said that
What age
ask
did
her to,
this come to you?
it was something, matlab, it was a big thing, and which is
So
said that it
since
is not
childhood you have that.
yeah,
Okay.
since childhood. So they said that okay, she can do schooling. After that, it is good. Everybody used to say to my dad that okay, just ask her to do some 3 months course of medical transcription. Okay, she want to do medical. Oh, that's impossible. Just ask her to do a 3-month course of medical transcription. That is also a medical studies,
Mm-hmm.
and she will be probably it will be good for her, and she will have that good earning also. It's a good thing. Then I used to say, why, Papa? Why everybody is saying like that? I want to fight. Okay, if I die also, I want to die while fighting.
Exactly.
While fighting, because if a person is having that much courage and determination, that makes whenever I get so confused and so, you know, down with thoughts that why it is happening, why my body is not responding according to me, what I'm trying it to do. I only think one thing. Stephen Hawkins.
Mm-hmm.
Stephen Hawking was the one person I always see him and always say my condition is better than his. If he can, then
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can. The thing is that nobody will come. I'm telling you, Guru sir,
yeah.
nobody in this world. People can only tell you that okay, you do this thing, you do that thing, but at the end of the day, you yourself is responsible whatever you do, whatever you get in life, and how you see the world. If I say I have not spent even a single day of my life very easy, that would not be wrong. My life is not easy, but I have accepted it now. I have accepted it completely that okay, my life is difficult. I have to spend it like that. And when I
So
was a kid,
you
my
are
father,
mentally prepared that you should go and fight with it.
yeah, now I'm
And
always
whether I
saying,
will win or not, that is
I
secondary.
always say, agar kahin, if somewhere somebody is putting a bomb and it has to fall on someone, that you see, that person will be me.
Okay.
I
Nice.
always say to my husband. So sometimes he gets very, sad. Why, baby? Why it happens to you? So I will always say, it's just that I have accepted it. That this is my life. Some people are chosen. I'm the chosen one. So those who are chosen, my father in the beginning used to say, "Oh, beta, this is a temporary phase. It will go. It will go. It will go." And this was the thing from childhood. He was telling me every day, every single minute he used to tell me, this is just a temporary phase, it will go. But now I'm 34. I'm
Mhm.
disclosing my age here.
No,
Now I'm
not
30.
an issue. Nowadays, I think nobody is caring about ages because even
Yeah.
cinema actors also they are disclosing their birth.
See, I'm 34 right
They
now.
want to
And
be feeling. See, for example, Silpa Shetty or somebody. When I saw her yoga things, see, we cannot believe that she is 40 plus or 50 plus. So when people are growing older, they become more charm, more younger. Looks
yeah.
more younger.
So there are some people, my friends from Chennai, and they always say there is something, Pooja, where as that your age is improving, you are also improving. I said, is that so? Yeah, it is. I said, okay. So I was telling you that whenever I used to think that okay, Papa is saying, I have a firm belief. I had a firm belief that okay, if he's saying this will go on, this will pass away, this time will go, this time will go. I will get
So
over it.
what is your father? He is a businessman
He
or
is a HOS,
okay?
retired HOS,
Nice.
and a writer too. He has
Mother?
approximately 20 to 25 books on his name.
Wow, great. So
Yeah, I
the
have.
genes has come to you, the DNA.
Yeah, my mother is also a retired teacher.
Oh, great.
Both are from
So
teaching profession.
from
So
art and
even
culture.
I taught in some college for some
Mhm.
time.
Mm.
Then I left. I left it. I was actually going for this Saudi job. I got
Wow.
government job there. I was planning. It was good, handsome money they were giving me.
Now
But
or previous?
huh?
Now you got an opportunity in Saudi.
Yeah, but I don't want to go actually
Go,
because
madam. There are,
you see,
I think, in Corona situation, Saudi is better.
no, I will never go now because I
Okay.
have a big motivation here. I was getting, even I signed the what you say, contract. They were
After,
paying me three
yeah.
lakhs per month, 3 lakhs per month, and
Wow.
two months of paid leave to
So
come
that's a
to
good
India.
opportunity.
I'm telling you, now, if somewhere some
If
bomb
I
will
am in
fall,
your place, I will definitely
so
accept
what
it.
I'm telling, at that time, I lost my son.
Oh.
At that time, when I got selected, and I just signed the paper that okay, I'll come. And after that, I just lost my son. And when I lost my son, I was like, I don't want to go anywhere now. I
So
will
you
do
have two
here. If
kids.
I had my son was born on 16th of August,
Hmm.
and the same day he was having because I was going through a lot
You
at
are
that
14th
time,
August and he is 16th August. Both of you born same month.
and my daughter is 9th August.
Oh my God, this is an August family.
This is an August family.
How did you
Yeah.
lost your son? That's I don't know
He
actually.
was having congenital diabetic hernia, and
Even
I
now I
got to
don't
know
know. Today also I saw his photo. Really
yeah,
I don't know this thing. Really this is.
lot of things, Guru sir. I'm telling you now, I am a
So
chosen
I
one.
was
I'm a
really
chosen one.
I have no words now. I
Lot
thought
of
he is
things. This is
still
nothing. I'm
alive.
telling you, every time I have faced so many things that now I was telling you that whenever my husband says why you, I always say now I am used to this. I know that I have to spend my life like this. Abito, I always say that still I have to see much. I believe that if till the age of 34 I have seen this much, and still there is the time till I'm alive, I have to see so many things. So I am not very hopeful, and I don't feel like very demotivated also, because the person is the. I always say that if you are strong enough, God always tests those people who He feels that they are strong. So he's keep on, taking examinations, and I always bounce back. This is what I feel inside, that okay, this thing came, okay, I will have to fight it, and no way I will not give up. No way I will not give up. This was a time, even corona, I am safe. I'm telling you, my condition was not like that, that I would have been talking to you like this right now, as I'm talking now. That is why my husband is always saying, "Tum bach gayi, tum bach gayi." You are
Yeah,
safe.
yeah,
You are
I'm
have
very happy
survived.
that you are really coming back and bouncing back. I saw that you should have gone through such a pain for that last 7-10 days, maybe whatever the situations you are at that time. What about your husband? What is he?
He's a true gem. He's a true gem. And you know why I'm so glowy and I'm happy, I'm leading a life because of him. He's the
Yeah, yeah.
person. He studied from IIT Roorkee and IIT Kharagpur.
Okay.
So he's super intelligent, first of all, and he's very fond of
I
me.
think
Second,
he should be very strong at heart, like you, because
yeah, very very
he
strong.
he
He's
is
the person
seeing you going through pains means see first two things. One thing is having pain ourselves and bearing pain ourselves is one thing, and seeing someone who is very loved once going through such pains is another torture. Because
yeah,
those things are really I cannot I can imagine, because I also went with a major accident and recovered. At that time, the people surrounded by me are more emotional than me and more painful than, because they didn't expect that I never can run, never walk, never sit down. So my life will be like that whole case. So they cannot digest. So afterwards we come out of such bad patch.
he is mentally strong than me.
Hmm.
If I say I'm very emotional,
You
it
are
is
lucky
very
to
true.
get such people, because if
Yeah.
people surrounded by you are not positive, then you should have not come this far.
Well, that is what he is the person, during corona also, he himself was having corona, and he was
Oh,
the person who was doing everything. I was not able to walk for 1 month. I don't know what has happened. My legs were so slim, so they thinned out, and I was not able to even walk. I was too weak at that time. I lost approximately 8 kgs within 3 to 4 days.
hmm.
So I was not able, I was, whenever I was getting up, I'm not able to walk, I'm not. So he used to massage my legs, putting up oil every time, 2 to 3 times a day, and he did everything, making soup for me after a certain times. Like, he was like completely what a mother can do. My husband is always like, because mother
So
is
he is
always,
an all-rounder. He is a husband, father, mother.
he
He is a kid for.
he is everything, I'm telling you. If I'm, I always say, if I'm alive, I'm because of him, just because of him. He
So how
is the
old is
person
your
behind.
daughter?
She is not even 4.
Oh my God. So having such a small kid, that's another tough time.
Yeah,
I thought
she
your
was
daughter
born.
is elder and son is younger.
Yeah, son, daughter is elder. Son
Okay.
came after daughter,
Mhm.
after 2 to 3 years.
Now
It
she
is
is
just,
4.
yeah. In August he will be 4, not even 4.
Today I saw
So
some
he was born.
pictures. I am now still confused. Is that your daughter or your son? Today you put some
She
yellow
is
color.
she is my daughter. She is like
Oh,
me, actually.
oh
In
my
that
God.
case, as,
Acha, acha.
as
I
if she
thought
looks like a
that
father.
she is a boy.
No, no,
That's why I
she's
was shocked. Today only I saw the pictures and how. Okay, okay.
actually, she don't
Now
like
I was.
girls' costume. The thing is
Mm-hmm.
that she's like me. When I was a kid,
She a
up to
tomboyish.
marriage, I used to hate girls' costume. I
Mm-hmm.
never wore them. Even my father never encouraged me to wear anything of, uh, you know, girls, like frocks, suits, and all those stuff.
Now we
I was
can't
the person who
imagine Pooja Singh wearing boys dress. Now you look very traditional,
I
very
was
formal.
bob cut. I was bob cut.
Yeah, I saw your
And
older pictures.
today I'm like, you will see that my hairs are cut. People say that, oh, I used to have long hair 2 days back. Due to corona, I'm losing hair like a cancer
But I
patient.
saw your old pictures, but you look good in this traditional dress or whatever women dresses you wear
I
because
don't know. Guru sir, this I feel as if that's after a week or 2 weeks or maybe after a month, I'll be giving interviews wearing a scarf because I don't think I will have hair on my head.
see,
They
I
are going
love
at that
Indian
speed.
tradition, and you have that this thing also. Na very rarely I will see such things on Indian women wearing nowadays, especially in this
No, I do
generation.
everything.
And I have a few of my friends wearing that. That looks very good. And also some of these earrings and all. Those are very cute. I love my daughter wearing these traditional. She is very fond of these things and all.
These
So I
things.
like very much. But some of my cousins, they are boys. As you told, they don't like to wear all these nuisance and all. They want haircut and all. And
Even I'm in this favor. To be very frank, I would say till you. I always say to my daughter, till you are in 12th standard, you just do what
yeah,
according to
whatever they
me.
want, whether
Yeah,
they want
because
anything, they can.
these things, these nail paints, these things, these all things are foundations somewhere. For girls, girls have to do a bit more than boys. Why?
Yes.
Because this society is a male oriented society, male dominated society. Girls are coming up with full force, but still, if you have more into these things, if you have more into these things, you will get distracted. These are distractions. What I
Hmm.
feel, what my father told me at that time, and I really feel after 12th standard, he didn't ask me that you do this thing or that thing, because till then the child has a childish mind. They don't understand what is right, what is wrong. Only the parents can say
Hmm.
that okay, you do this way, you do that way, and once you are free, once you have that you are mature enough, lead your life according to yourself. I will never interfere in your life because you have now, I have given all my what do you say, sanskar and all.
Yeah, yeah.
Now it is up to you how you utilize whatever you have. Like me, what I always say, my father always told me, beta, these are all distractions. If somebody who wants to do suppose somebody says that I want to be an IAS, some girl says that I want to be a this thing, that thing. So you have to be focused, and if you are into these things, you somewhere you lose your focus. You have long hair. I am not against long hair, but my kid, my girl, she's like me. If
Hmm.
her hair go get a bit also na big, she'll say, "Mama, they are getting big. You just cut them. I don't like them. The hair
My
I
daughter
don't
is
like."
full opposite of that. She don't.
Yeah,
If we touch her hair, she will cry and also she will beat us. So she
yeah.
is
This
something
is
different.
interest. She,
Yeah, we left
actually,
like
she.
that because their freedom, their own freedom. They
Hmm.
want if they want something, they can wear whatever.
I always say, once you do whatever you want to do after you have cleared your 12th or 10th, because after that you yourself will have sense what you want to do, what you don't want to do. You know you're better. You know yourself better. You know where you have to go, which path you want to take, what you want to be. It's up to you. But till then, you don't know what is the society outside, what kind of people mentality is there, how you can become a strength or a women of substance. For women, I feel, for boys it's okay, they can do things because
They
there are a
don't
lot
have
of support.
many options like women.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, women have so many options. They can go boyish or something, but a man
Okay.
cannot go womanish or girlish. It will be awkward for them. So women
Yeah.
are always have so much of cushion.
Even Guru sir, boys are getting fancy today. They're getting fancy.
Yeah, those are some awkward haircuts and some type of dresses maybe. Very rarely we can see. Yeah,
Hmm.
anyway, we are diverting our topic maybe. Coming to your
Yeah.
successful story, you are struggling for the 14 years and all, and you did your microbiology, what you call, whatever education in the medical field. Why did you choose poetry and writing books and all? So what is your career actually?
Actually, I am a medical microbiologist by education. Even if I say that I don't like medical field, it is not true. Even I'm having a passion towards it also.
Mhm.
Even that's why I have you have entered a field of this value or air purification because of or is air sterilization because of that factor. I
Mm.
used to see the patients who are having tuberculosis or something like that. So if this is for sure that I have studied for 14 years of medical studies, so I will not leave that,
Yeah.
of course, because studying medical is not easy. For a long
Mm.
time, you have to stay
Yeah.
out with your without your family, and a long period you need to have medical, studies. So basically, the thing is that because I had a passion towards writing, and I have 3 books of medical I have written. Apart from that, 3 to 4 books of poetry. So in total of 7 books. I'm author of 7 books. And if you see, still I am attached to some of the medical journals where I'm working as an editorial team and reviewer. So basically, what happens is that these are some national and international journals, medical journals,
Mm.
where the research papers come to us, and we have to evaluate whether they are fine to get published or not, which is called scientific, scientific language is
Exactly.
proper or not, or the facts they are saying is actually the fact or not. So we have to look all those factors and then revert back to the medical journal people and tell them, okay, this is worth of publishing, you can go for it. So not no, apart from this, I want to have in future, in a year or two maybe, I want to have my own diagnostics. I will
Mhm.
enter in that phase
Mm.
also because I cannot leave that. That is a very integral part of mine. Apart from that, this poetry and Samaj Seva, social activism has always been into me,
Mm.
which you just said that it is in your genes. Yes,
Mm.
it is in my genes. I
Yeah,
love it.
that should
I
be
love it.
really good because it also gives you some mental peace while writing
Yeah.
articles or whatever. That is some type
Even
of hobby thing, also you can say. Uh,
even a few days back, the cabinet minister, he asked me, I called his team, called me up and said, Mantri ji want to, award you, so he want you to come at his place. And I went there. There was a award ceremony, and I was given a Jewel of India award. It
mm.
was really it was shocking
Yeah,
for me.
I
Nowadays,
used to see a lot of awards and all
so
every now and
what
then.
here I want to say people what they these days what awards are doing and what some people are doing, that they will people approach me that you send your nomination and the award fee. I thought, what is this
Mm.
award fee? What is this
That's
nomination
yeah,
all about?
ridiculous.
I'm being so amazed. I get so amazed that okay, people are paying for it. Means you can pay someone and that person will give you award. What sort of thing is
There is
that? If
no value
I'm
for award then.
yeah,
So
that is why always
somebody is struggling and getting awards,
yeah.
then that will degrade their value because of these
Yeah,
things.
that is what I'm saying. If you are
Yeah.
doing something in life, I always say, if you're doing something good, suppose I'm into so much of social activism, we are doing so many things like distributing masks during this corona, giving blankets. Apart from that, we are having attached with a Gurukul society where the girls, underprivileged girls, they live. So basically, in between, we go there, we have a check every month there. We provide them, we ask them, what do you need? Sometimes they said we need some writing material or some books or some stationery material. Sometimes they say they want dal or some food stuff. So what we do, we ask people to do some donations, and we just collect all the things and we provide them. But I always think if you're doing something with this hand, this should not know what you're doing. We have
Yeah.
never given any pictures regarding our social activism activities on social media. I always tell my team we need not to do that. If
Mm.
we are doing it, we are doing it for our sake, for our mental satisfaction, our satisfaction. We are not doing it for any kind of award or something else.
Yes. Yes.
And if
Then
somebody
that
is
is
watching
not
it
a
silently,
genuine contribution.
yeah,
What you got
if
genuine
somebody is
thing.
watching it silently and want to
Yeah.
honor, that is my privilege. That okay, fine,
That's why
I'm
our
okay.
interviews also best of Guru. I do this on my soul satisfaction, because somebody
Yeah.
there in my friend circle who were there, nobody recognizes them. So most of the interviews, nobody knows what their real talent and skill. Only after seeing my videos, oh, this type of people are there. Then only so many people came to know that this person is so, because
That is
they
a
are
great.
all, yeah, I am not doing this for promotion. Even I told somebody also, when there is a paid thing, I didn't accept, because I do this on my satisfaction. Whenever I feel low or need some motivation, I will take a random person and I will interview or chat with them, and I will put it as an interview or chat, whatever. It's like
Very.
a normal discussion. And at the same time, I want to show that my friend is struggled like this, and she or he has come a long way through achieving something like this. Okay, I want to tell to the world. So even though I don't know much about Hindi, English, so I am trying this because it will reach more audience. Actually, I
Yes.
tried in Telugu, but it didn't work out because I have
Okay.
to be specific to Telugu people only.
Mm.
So coming to
Yeah,
you
English
again.
is a universal language actually.
Yeah, yeah.
So
And another thing I saw, I think something like you are a director or a vice president for Morcha, Bharatiya something Morcha.
yeah, yeah,
What is
yeah,
that?
yeah. There is an organization, Hindu Yuva Morcha.
Acha, Yuva Morcha, yes.
So it also works like that. Even Sanskar Bharati is an organization
Mm-hmm.
which works for art, literature, and culture, not only in India and other 25 other countries also. So basically, I'm attached to that Sanskar Bharati also, Hindi Yuva Morcha also have branches all over. And even Kavya Corner has 15 to 15 or 13, 14, 15 around 15 to 16 branches all over India, internationally also. One international branch also there. So this is how means for Sanskar Bharati, I'm the director of this Gautam Buddha
Mm-hmm.
Ikai. And for this Hindi Yuva Morcha, I'm national vice president for that.
Good.
So basically, these are some good people who are do want to do some good work. They also do something like they provide food to the needy. They are doing lot of good work. So basically, my funda is always like that. That if somebody wants me, like Her Career Foundation, they are also doing so much work for the upliftment of the women.
Mm.
So when Sarla ji told me that Pooja, I want you to be the brand ambassador for the Her Career Foundation, I said, okay, fine. I am always there for a good cause. I'm always there
So
for a good cause.
how you manage all these things, madam? Because crisp value is your main source of
I
income, and
I
you are also Her Career Foundation brand ambassador, and there are so many things I need to read out. Cultural advisor at Shahid Smriti Chetana Samiti.
yeah.
That is one more thing you didn't mention. And Kavya Corner Foundation, you are already there as a founder. So already managing so many branches. And what type of services you do in Kavya Foundation?
Sir, actually, Kavya Corner Foundation is the
First,
one is
first
a
you
platform.
explain me how you manage your time.
Actually, sir, to be very true, I feel 24 hours are very less
Yes, yes.
for me. I
Because,
always say
yeah.
this thing to everyone. I never rest in noon. I don't like eating
Practically, if
sleep.
I read all this, and once you told now, highly impossible, but how you are managing, I am really.
So I sleep 3 at night
Mhm.
and get up at 6:40 or 6:50 like that.
Only 3 hours.
So yeah, and
I think
I'm pretty.
as a medical person, is it really good for your health? 3 hours?
I know people say that it is not good, but I don't know. See, Guru sir, I told you that I have been living life a very difficult and different life. I
See,
have,
one
and
positive
I
thing
have
is you
been
are serving for people despite of
yeah.
your thing and all.
So
That's a good
I
thing.
have.
But when come to personal jealousy or whatever personal you should have to focus your health.
That is what I'm telling. Why I'm doing it. This. See, I have a very difficult life, and daily I am living my life as if today is the last day. I don't know whether I'll be there today, the next day or not. So what I feel that there is so much to do and the time is too less to me. So I don't know whether today I'm talking to you the next moment, because it is not just that I'm saying all these things
Yeah, yeah.
under
It's a
philosophical
practically it will
pressure.
happen. We can't
Yeah,
control our life
because
because
I have
anything
lot
can
of health
happen in
issues.
any second.
I'm even suffering from fibromyalgia. I'm suffering from many diseases. I'm having tachybrady syndrome. I am having some heart issues also. Lot of things. I don't want to discuss all those things because somewhere people think, oh, she has been discussing her problems. She's a negative person. I am not a negative person. The thing is that I live my life as if today is the last day of my life and this is the last minute. I want to do as much as I can do in this minute so that in the next minute, if I'm not there, means people must I will have something, if you're going from your life has finished, okay, people must remember you that you have done some good deeds. The thing is only that. So whether I do not get even sleep if I get down on the bed that okay it's 10:30 I will sleep now. So somewhere my mind will keep on saying still there is so much time still there is so much time why you are sleeping how can you waste your time means I will not leave even a single minute of my day wasted if I say if sometimes I do some things and I say oh my husband will say somewhere sometimes we go out and spend too much of time outside then I'll come back and I'll say baby I will tell to my husband oh, today whole day wasted nothing productive we did
Oh,
then
God.
I will spend a whole night to do something productive. And then people always say, why you take too much of pressure? You can also chill. I said, see, if I would have been chilling throughout my life till now, I'm 34. I would not have been in the condition to do anything.
Yes, yes.
Because the life I have seen, it all depends on the life you have seen. Basically, the perception which you make, the way you think, the way you see the world is according to your past experiences. My past experiences have made me to think that way that Pooja, this is your last day and this is up in Hindi you say karo ya maro. So either you do it or you die. The thing is that because every day is a very very challenging task for me to live so along with this challenge I have to do something because now those doctors who have treated me 18 years now they say we represent your case whenever we go to Spain, China, Japan for conferences that see nothing is impossible. What is said in medical science that this kind of people cannot do anything. We have a girl who have been in our touch from last 18 to 20 years and she is now a reputed person. She has done medical education. She is doing good. She is having kids. She is spending a better life. And she, though what I was told, you cannot study these people are bad at academics and what I am doing my profession is right now a writer. I am passionate about writing so I'm writing and writing you cannot write until you study a lot.
Exactly.
So basically you have to study to write something and you have to do a lot of analysis using your mind using your brain. If you're not able to do that means so for
Writing
them
is not an
it's
easy thing because even I write blog post when I was right 2015 when I started my blog. I used to write most of my articles on my own. After 2017 or so, when I got a little busy, I used to give articles to my writers. Somewhere I found that that is not so genuine, not what you call sometimes the content which I want is not coming out. Because if you write
yeah
your on your own, then you will be having the same whatever topic or concept you want you can write on your own. So yes, for that you need to go through your whatever creativity what is there
so that is
inside you.
why this time they say that for us we really want you to write your story because they have seen me in
Yeah,
those days and they're seeing me today so they want you just
I
start
think I
writing
can
about
write a story on you also. It's a biography of Pooja Singh. And it's a lot of new things. Actually, there is very less on paper, more on you. I think I need to contact you daily for 1 minute or 2 minutes, whatever your appointment.
but
And
the
I
best
want to know more
compliment
about you. See, I am a complete opposite of you. I waste time like anything. Whenever I take something very seriously, I go through it for 5 minutes and I will suddenly become very lazy. And slowly I will watch TV or lie down. I will play some games or video game, mobile game. Suddenly I realize that 2 hours wasted. Again I will come and seriously work on something, and again my brain will go several. my brain will be like mercury. It keeps on changing thoughts and all. No
What I
seriousness
do,
in me. That's why
what
I'm
I
doing
do
these
whenever
interviews. And whenever I watch
I,
previous videos of interviews,
uh,
oh, these type of men, these type of men, they are doing very seriously. Why I am not doing? So I will get some inspiration. Again, I will start doing something seriously for next hour. Automatically, I cannot change. I don't know why.
okay. Acha, what is happening like while I'm cooking, I cannot do anything. Earlier, what I used to do while I used to cook, I used to keep a laptop near, where I'm making chapatis.
Hmm.
So my husband used to say, "What are you doing? Having a laptop here and you are making chapatis? How can you do this? Who do this? Nobody does like this."
I think you can use a keypad as a chapati roller, the base of
so,
chapati.
so now what I'm doing right now, that nowadays what I do, and from last year, 1 year actually, that I know that this is a time when I'm cooking and my mind is free. I will keep some productive, some constructive videos in front of me. I'll put my mobile. I'll be cooking very, somewhere lost somewhere in cooking, because I really feel that cooking is also a passion to me. People love the food I cook. So where I'm cooking, what I'll do, some educative or something which is very productive, some videos I will start up. And because I don't have much time to see all the videos and all which people send us, so that was the time where I can utilize. Means this thing you will have to think that, okay, what is the time where I can utilize and how I can utilize. So this is how, even night, daily we are fighting. My husband will say, "No, you will sleep or not? I can see your mobile light is on." I'm sleeping just 2 minutes. I'm writing something. I have to write
I
something, so
can
I'm writing.
understand his problem because see, you as a well-wisher, he will be thinking about you and your health,
Yeah,
and he is also,
he's
uh,
always saying this.
yeah, he is also maybe getting sleep, or your kid will be there. So maybe,
He has also become like me. He is
uh,
also workaholic, and
oh,
he
then
will be there with me,
about your
sitting
kid,
2 to 3.
then she will also start from the 4 year, from the 5th year onwards. Maybe she will get a junior puja.
We all three are like that. I
Oh,
mean,
we
uh,
are robots,
we did not
humanoids.
recharge. I'm telling you, we did not recharge our TV from a
Oh my
long
God.
time.
Acha, that's a
We
great
don't
thing.
see TV. And my husband used to love
Especially you
movies,
have a
South
4 years
Indian
kid and
movies.
you don't have TV and without recharging, that's an amazing thing. One of the best things I have had in 2020
Abhi,
in this
in this
generation.
corona, in this
Not
corona, my
only
husband,
Corona, in this generation. Nowadays, kids wants gadgets, TVs, whatever they want, and
my
very
daughter,
nice.
when she was 6 months old, she was having 35 books.
Oh my God! So books are really very good. Thanks that you
Yeah.
are
So
educating her to.
everybody used to say, "What you want to make her an Einstein at the age of 6 months?" I said, "No, I just, recite some stories to her. She loves them basically." So I used to do that. The see
Yeah, you
the
are
environment
nurturing
you
her
provide
very
your
well
kid,
since childhood.
yeah, the environment you provide to your kid, the kid will, adapt all those things
Exactly.
by themselves, because they are like clay.
Yeah, I think kids are
So
like plants, very simple seedlings.
I
And
did not join.
slowly they will, yeah. Once they
No, sir, I
become
didn't.
tree, we cannot do anything. Since
Yeah,
plant
I did
stage
not
only, we
join
have to.
anywhere. I did not join anywhere 9 to 6 job.
Oh my
If
God.
I want, I can do it very. If, if I really want to do it, I can do it today. I have good options with me, but I
Mm,
don't want to do that. What I'm doing is I'm doing my own work. I'm having my own company. I'm having on my own firm.
mm,
Why? Because I want to give my time to my baby.
yes.
That is also important, because if a person is going at 9 a.m. to the office and coming back at 6, and the kid is living in some crutch or some, some these what they daycare and all,
Daycare, yes, yes.
so there is not, no point. For what? For
Yeah,
whom you are
because,
earning? For
yeah, that's
whom?
a bad thing,
For those
actually.
things where you don't have time to give them actually, so no use. For me, that is waste.
I too believe in that. Luckily, we have my wife's parents taking care sometimes. First 5 years,
Sir,
I think we need to give them.
brain maturation brain maturation takes place up to the age of 8,
Mm.
or up to you come to 5 years
Maybe
of
at
age.
least, yeah. For me, I think
Whole,
up to five
yeah,
years you should be there with your
yeah,
kid.
5 years. So till that time, if you cannot give your precious, and in the beginning, I would say some kids they live without their parents at the time when they cannot even speak.
Yeah, I saw
So
many people like that.
so there is no what I feel. See, maybe people may not agree with
Yeah,
me,
agree.
but
Yeah, there
somewhere
are
what I
for
feel
everything there
that
is
if
a plus and minus.
you are doing this work for to earn money, okay, you are doing it to earn money, okay, you can survive in less amount of luxuries, but initially your kid need at least 3 to 4 years or 2 years of your life very very sincerely without any fail. So they need you at least 2 to 3 years of your life. After 2 to 3 years they are mature enough, they can speak at least. If something goes wrong with them, they can come and tell mama this thing happened to me at this place and somebody told me like this. They are frank, they can say. But before that, some people they are leaving their kids before that also and going to office and doing all their works, and it is not the fact that they are financially too weak so they are doing it.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
they are so-called high society people. They are doing it for their purpose.
Just
I'm telling
luxury
you, they
purpose,
want, they
and
can.
there are people who go for, yeah. There are two types of people. There is no option for some people like middle and lower class, but there are some luxurious people
If
who
some
just
if
will.
some family if some, if some family is there where grandparents are there, then there is no problem, they can go. But if
Yeah, that's
nobody is
what.
there,
So if there is somebody, either it is
mm,
a grandparent from boys side or women's side, anybody, it's either some mother-in-law or mother for a woman, then that is not an issue. If they don't have such other people to take care, putting in daycare is really horrible. So what else, madam? What are your future plans? And I think you have so many foundations going on, so many charities, so many services. So, what are your future plans as of now? You
nothing,
are
sir,
still
as such.
into Corona mode. I think you are
So
still getting
very
out
true.
of that thing.
I'm scared that actually I have been getting so many politics
You are into
proposals.
politics also.
I don't want to go. I have been saying, I've been refusing people that I
No,
don't
no,
want
you
to
can
join.
do this. See, politics. Many people say only negative side of politics. There is a positive side also, where you can give services wholeheartedly if you work very good. For example, if you have very
But
good things.
for that Guru sir, already I'm doing a lot of things, because for any society, for the shape up of good society, literature is the biggest aspect which
Yes.
can do some betterment. I would say ki har cheez ki everything has got starting point from that. If you are having good, if you are creating good literature, if you are having good people around you, you are educating people, you are doing some good deeds. Like sometime before I was planning for a school.
Mhm.
I was planning for a school for underprivileged kids of up to 3 to 4 years, like up to three standard initially. But then, and at that time, I was thinking that it will be a small school only, and where the education will be free, food will be free for these kids, and even the writing material and clothes, everything, and study material, everything will be. So
That's
I
okay.
have some plans regarding that. If I'm
So,
able
but
to do something
how
good,
about the funds? So, for every service, we need
I'm
funds.
not raising any funds from anyone. I'm not getting it,
So, where
but
is
I
the
am
source of
planning.
funds?
See, whatever right now I'm doing from my own. To be
Mhm.
very true, to be very frank, to do anything, you should have, that wish. If you wish, you can. If you don't wish, you cannot. But I am planning that if I'm doing something good on some good level, I
Hmm.
will need, actually I will need these funds. And if I have some good people around, or some good
Yeah, some
social
people
activity,
voluntarily they will donate or something.
if
If you
somebody
are doing
want, we
something
can
good,
do it.
yeah.
Yeah. And apart from that, I have been planning for fund from government also, that we
Hmm.
can apply. And if we get
So,
any
sorry to
help,
interrupt
that
you.
huh,
You are from UP, I think. You born in Uttar Pradesh, as per your
no,
background.
I'm born and bought up in Delhi, but I'm
Acha.
residing
But
in Noida.
yeah, I saw somewhere you are from Uttar Pradesh. And where, so you belong to Delhi now.
I'm born and brought up in Delhi, but
अच्छा
this
अच्छा.
comes in NCR only,
हाँ हाँ.
NCR,
अच्छा अच्छा.
Noida. So it is
Noida.
hardly 40 minutes or a half an hour from here
Good,
to go
good.
and
Yeah, I just got confused about UP. Somewhere I saw UP, and so you will be having this thing going in Delhi only. Then your future school.
see, right now I'm having many things going on with me with Chris Value also. If I earn, if I get crack some good deals, of course I have some plans that I want to have my some of my salary apart. We keep it apart from my own,
Mm-hmm.
and I
Your
want to
own.
donate
I
to
think
the.
you have your own home expenses.
Yeah,
Everything should be there.
till now, I'm doing it on my own
Yeah,
expense.
yeah.
I'm not asking even a single penny from anyone. So, if I wish, I always say to my husband, those people who say, "Na, for doing anything, you need money, you need money." It is not true. If you really want to do something, you can go to some institute. You can give education for free. Some
Yeah, yeah,
charitable.
exactly. Yeah.
If you are a doctor, you can charitably see the patients.
Mm.
You can give yourself your duties to the fullest if you have the wish. The
Wish.
first
Yeah.
thing is if you wish. But if you don't have the wish, some people are doing it for the sake of social media to to have
Especially
to be there.
celebrities.
Yeah.
They
What
plant
we want to
very
do.
good plans only on Green Day. Anyway. That was
Yeah,
one
even
of
I
the
have
funniest
some
things I
projects.
will see.
Some I have some cover corner studio also. I've just bought it. Before also we were doing some programs over there, but now I have just purchased one studio and some place over there. So we are planning for workshops also. Suppose there are people because art, literature, culture, we are doing all the three four things. Where some kids are there who really want to learn literature. Because Hindi literature, if they want to write, they don't know the rules and regulations and how to write them, what are the points to which they should mention in their mind. They are just writing it. They don't know which type of poetry they are writing. They are writing. They are just writing. So to basically, we have mentors with us. Apart from that, we have some good dancers, some good artists, some good pianist. We have some good guitarists, some music people also there. So what we are planning is that those people who are serious about learning things, we were planning that we will do it in our studio. But the thing is that I don't think Corona will is allowing us to do that. So we have just started one more series about poetry learning. Like we are asking, suppose one person is perfect in ghazal, we will ask one person that you come live and just tell people or newcomers and new writers that how they should move in this field, what should they write, how they should write, what are the important things to mention. So this is how we are arranging for the better. We are not just providing a platform, we are providing excellence in this particular field. If you're doing it with excellence.
Mm.
Perfection is important. If you
Mm.
do anything, even any small thing, do it with perfection, otherwise don't do it. This is my funda of living, basically.
So I have to
So
learn few things from you then. So
perfectionism is important. That is very. So these are the things. Apart from that, I'm not planning anything, but as I'm getting this proposals from the politics, I don't know whether I'll be going or not. I don't know right now, so I'm not in a condition, or I don't have a mindset of going towards any way towards the politics. But you never know about the future. Maybe I get some good people around and some good opportunity or something. I'm like getting it, already getting it from our party. I'm getting it from some other parties. Three four parties are there who are continuously behind and asking me that join the ton every third day ton. So I'm like, I'm not into these things. I'm
yes,
not
yes.
a,
That's
leader sort
that
of
will also divert
politician.
your motto or goals and all.
Yeah.
So whatever you are doing is very good, and I am very happy that you are one of my friends, and I am very lucky to have you in my friend circle. Such a good person. And
And
anything you want to share more about you
any
to my
guru sir.
audience?
Yeah, and this is not that guru sir that right now I'm like I'm a lady who has completed my studies and now I'm doing these things. When I was a kid, I was in college, I just joined my bachelor's and all those stuff. So at that time also, the one thing which people always used to get is two pictures. One of Mother Teresa, and other
Mhm.
one was of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in
Wow.
my room.
Two of the
In
best
hostel,
people.
I always had these two people with me, always. And there was a poetry by Mother Teresa. Anyway, I used to recite at those times. I don't remember that this time. Brain fogging also there, but I was a person like at that time also. I was having that feeling whenever I'm going like outside somewhere, moving near the college campus or somewhere. If I get someone and that person needs help, like, that bit of me which I can do, I always, so that at the end of the day, when you see yourself into the mirror, you are questionable, you are answerable to yourself, not anyone else. This is only you standing in front of the mirror and watching yourself. So that is the only motto, that the inner satisfaction is important, rather who is watching me. I just now I finished my 50K or like 50K followers, and it was like now within 2 days
Yeah,
it is now
yeah. I
52
am
crores.
really forgot
I
about that.
So
Congratulations for your 50K. I was really shocked that within a short period you have so many awesome followers. Uh, Nowadays 50K is not so easy in Facebook and Insta,
that is what
whatever
I'm
maybe.
also
Yeah.
surprised. I'm also surprised why people are doing digital marketing and lot of things.
The two for service
And
oriented people.
they are not
If you are a
focusing on what
celebrity,
they
that's
want
a
to do.
different thing. Yeah.
Guru sir, nowadays what people are doing, they are more focused on the other things like, okay, if I do digital marketing, I will have good followers. Okay, if I do,
Hmm.
they are not focusing on the work. If you do good
Exactly.
work, mob is with you.
Hmm.
If you forget about who is with you, who is not with you, if you are doing good work, no matter if you are standing alone. It's just that I do all my work just thinking that okay, I'm standing alone, I have a different identity, I have a different thought process, I'm doing it for myself, I'm not doing it for anyone, and I'm doing it with continuity. So these people are coming by themselves. I have never done any digital marketing or anything to, to raise my followers or what. People I do get reviews from people that, oh, they do this thing. And even I get mails of that sort. Ma'am, you are already this much, we can make it 2 lakhs. Ma'am, this is much, we can make it 3 lakhs. And you have a good fan following, and it should raise, so we can help you in that. I said, no, we can do it in free.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
said, no, I don't want. I don't want
So,
basically.
yeah, actually, for service-oriented people like you, that doesn't even require actually. So, once you are doing good things, automatically people will follow you. So, that
Thank you
you
so
have
much.
already proved by having such a awesome community around you. So, people who are watching this, this is the success story and story about Pooja Singh ji. And as Pooja madam told, you need to work as if today is your last day, so that you will grow yourself and you will move forward in your life. Whatever struggles you face are nothing in front of you, because if you fix your mind like that, that is this second or this minute or this day is my last day, then there is no fear in you. So go ahead and do your things, whatever you will want to achieve in your career or whatever your future. So thanks for coming to our channel, Pooja madam, and you
And
are being so inspiring for us, including me.
thank you so much. And Guru sir, by the end of this program, I would like to say that many, many thank you to you. And it was a pleasure talking to you. And I wish that you get all the success in whatever ventures you put your efforts in. And best of luck for your future interviews. You are doing a great job. And one more compliment I would like to add in, that you are very simple. I can read that, very simple, very sober personality. I am really glad to
Thank
have
you
a
so
meeting
much.
with you. Thank
Pleasure
you
is
so
mine,
much.
and very thankful for you. Please take care of your health, madam, because I think you are still recovering from that. I wish that you will be coming back to normal life within days or not more than
I'm also hoping so.
yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.